Go ahead, I'm ready. Ooh, that all-wheel drive. Pop man. Oh yeah, you good. Slow down, cuz.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing my intercooler. I already installed the intakes. I didn't make a video of that unfortunately, but I'll have sound clips and stuff of the intakes for anybody who wants to do the ones I did, which was the HPS intakes. The reason why I did them, they are $520, pretty expensive. But the reason I did them was they are expensive. They are polished. I actually wanted to go for polished intakes, and I think that was like one of the only companies that had them, because I don't like when people do all the red and blue in their engine bay. It looks weird. So I did go with the polished ones, and they had really good performance reviews. So went with the HPS intakes. I recommend everybody get those. They sound good, they perform well. But yeah, we're gonna be installing my intercooler, and I'll show you a video, not exactly how to do it, but just a video of it. And I'll have a little, I'll have some sound clips of the intakes for everything and all that good stuff. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy the video. Get right into it. All right, so we got the BMS intercooler on the ground. And this thing is massive compared to this little junky thing. Barely could see it. Super small. Got the front bumper off. That was pretty damn easy. Shouldn't be a terrible install, but we already installed the HPS intakes, polished, because polish is better than everything, in my opinion. Sounds amazing. This intercooler is definitely gonna cool down some air so we can get some better horsepower gains. We'll free up some horsepower. Everybody always screams at me in the comments saying, hey, that doesn't add horsepower, just frees up horsepower. So we also installed this BMS catch can, no maintenance one, whatever thingy. But yeah, that's pretty much everything we did so far. I mean, I put windshield tint on it. See how long that lasts in Louisiana. That's step one. We just unboxed it, got the bumper off. Got the bigger intercooler in. This thing is massive in there. Pretty easy install. It came bent, one of the brackets right here. I had to bend it back, but other than that, it was pretty easy. Not too bad at all. I say it like I'm doing it, but I'm definitely not doing it. But he's doing it because he's a G. Ooh. Big G. But yeah, looks so good, so much better than that. This thing is rough, like almost twice the size. It's crazy, and it just looks 10 times better. Got the tubing on, or whatever it's called, charge pipe, don't care. Got that one on. Got that one on. That's sick. So much better. Now we're just gonna go get it on the road, just test it, see if everything's good, do a boosted launch, and give you some, pretty much just some good sounds of the intakes, how that sounds. It sounds pretty gnarly, but yeah. So for the deadening question, is the intercooler worth it? Yes, in a way. Do I think it gives you horsepower? No. Does it free up horsepower? Yes. Do I think you should invest in one? Of course. All Stingers and really any turbo cars should definitely invest in an intercooler. Do I think you should invest in a $1,300 one versus a $600 one? Absolutely not. I think that's always a bad investment. But yeah, to end this video, yes, it's worth it. Get it on the butt dyno. The power feels smooth. It feels good. I just overall feel it's better for the car. So yeah, that's my opinion on the intercooler, and install is super easy. Other than that, appreciate y'all watching. Get y'all in the next video.